Hey friends, welcome back to Ganzaa, where learning is fun and full of shapes. Today, we're learning about a very special shape. It's strong. It's equal on all sides. Can you guess what it is? It's the square. A square is a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. That means every side is the same length, and each corner is a perfect 90-degree angle. 4 equal sides, 4 corners, 4 right angles. You can find squares all around you, tiles on the floor, the front of a Rubik's Cube, or even a slice of cheese. Now let's learn the magic formulas of the square. Perimeter of a square is the total length around the square. The formula is perimeter equals 4 times side. Area of a square tells us how much space is inside the square. The formula is area equals side times side. Let's try one together. A square with a side length of 6 centimeters. What's the perimeter? Perimeter equals 4 times side. Perimeter equals 4 times 6 equals 24 centimeters. What's the area? Area equals side times side. Area equals 6 times 6 equals 36 square centimeters. Great job! Now you know what a square is, how to find its area and perimeter, and even spotted it in the real world. Next time you walk on tiles, just remember, want to have more fun with squares? Go to ganzaa.org and play the Square Master game today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more shapes with us on ganzaa.org, your fun learning place for kids.